want to introduce you to the Pop Design French fry cutter. Very simple mechanism. We have a suction cup, we have the handle with the push mechanism, we have rubber feet. First thing we want to do is choose between the two included blades and pushers how many fries we want. We have a choice of 64 fries or 36 fries. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate with the 36 fries. The first thing I want to do is I want to open this up and I want to insert my blade. I cannot insert my blade backwards. I want to take my blade handle and I want to put it towards the French fry cutter and slide it in place. It will only go in one way. Once it's in, I put down my locking mechanism and now it's locked in place. I then take my push blade and I put it in place and I twist the locking mechanism so that it's locked in place. Now that it's locked in place, I test and it goes clearly through. Take the French fry cutter, put it on a solid surface and engage the suction cup. The suction cup will engage, you push down just a bit, now it's locked in and engaged. Go ahead and open up my cutting mechanism. It's 3 inches wide. If you have larger potatoes, you simply need to take those potatoes and cut them into about 3-inch pieces, like so. You then take those pieces, putting the flat end against the blade and the other, and push solid down, and then will pop through. Go ahead and grab the pieces and throw them in your bowl. Open it back up again. No need to clean it out. Go ahead and put the next piece in. Again, flat side, always towards the blade. Push it down, and they will pop out. Put them in your bowl. And then the final piece here, go ahead and push that through. And you've got your last pieces of French fries. So then the next, you take your fries and you pour cold water over them. Let them cover. And then you're going to let them sit for minimum an hour. And that gets all the starch out. And then you drain that water. Okay, so now we've drained the water. And we're going to go ahead and just take a paper towel and get all the water off the bottom of the bowl and just dab them dry, putting that through the potatoes just a bit. Get them to kind of speed up the drying process. Now again, we just go ahead and let those sit in the air dry as long as possible. Okay? All right, let those go for as long as possible. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and just add a little bit of oil, olive oil, whatever kind of oil you like. I prefer a little bit of olive oil. You just a little bit is needed. Go ahead and then I like to add a little bit of garlic salt is my favorite. You can use pepper, you can use salt, you can use whatever seasonings you want to try. Add a little bit of that and then toss them. And they are ready to go in the oven or the air fryer. And I'll let you look up those recipes on your own as how long you want to cook them and how crispy you want them. I prefer the air fryer as my choice. If you're going to make sweet potatoes or any other harder vegetables, you need to boil those vegetables for 10 minutes or microwave them for 1 minute before you put them in to the cutter. Otherwise, you will damage the cutter because those vegetables are too hard. To clean the cutter, simply unclick it, run it under cold water, and air dry. It is full stainless steel.